Again, one question, number 5, related to removal of brackets. In this question, we are having one bar bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and at the last we are having square bracket, big bracket. So all these brackets we have to remove. Okay. So starting from bar bracket. As you can see in this particular question, we are having bar bracket over 18 and 7. And just before this bar bracket, we are having negative sign. Just before this bar bracket, we are having negative sign. So write 32 minus square bracket start, 43 minus curly bracket start, 51 minus small bracket starts, then 20, then minus. Up to this we have to write as it is from the starting. यहाँ तक पूरा सेम लिखना है क्योंकि पहले बार ब्रैकेट सॉल्व होगा. Now we are solving this bar bracket. So first write it in no change. Then this minus 7 will be plus 7. Why? Just because of this negative sign before the bar bracket. For example, अगर ये पॉजिटिव होता तो यहाँ पे क्या होता, ये पॉजिटिव होता एज इट इज़ और ये नेगेटिव का नेगेटिव ही होता. बार ब्रैकेट के पहले अगर पॉजिटिव है तो बार ब्रैकेट को हटा देना है और कुछ भी चेंज नहीं होगा. ठीक है. बट in this question before bar bracket we are having negative sign, so minus 18 first we have to write, then this minus 7 will be plus 7. Close small bracket close, curly bracket close, then square bracket. Now our bar bracket is solved. After bar bracket vinculum, next bracket is small. So 32 minus, then big bracket start, 43 minus curly bracket starts, then 51 minus. Now this 20 is a positive value inside a bracket. If you want to solve this bracket inside, you can, and if you want to remove this bracket, you can. Okay. So this 20 plus 7 is 27. 20 plus 7 is 27, then minus 18, small bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. Now 32 minus 43 minus curly bracket start, then 51. Now 27 minus 18, so 27 minus 18, 9. Now you can remove this small bracket, so we have to write 51 minus 9, then 32 minus big bracket start, then 43 minus. Now 51 minus 9, so 51 minus 9, 42, then this curly bracket we are having here. Okay. Now only 42 inside curly bracket we are having, so we will remove this curly bracket and minus 42 is our next step. Now 32 minus in bracket 43 minus 42, we know we will get 1, and at the last 32 minus 1 equals to 31. So 31 is the required answer. Question number 11. 88 minus curly bracket starts, then 5 minus small bracket start, then minus 48 small bracket close, then division minus 16 in a small bracket, then at the last curly bracket closed. Now in this question you have to remove brackets. Okay, that means we have to solve brackets. So as per BODMAS, first we have to solve brackets. So this bracket, curly bracket, we are having here. Okay, and B stands for bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M multiplication, A addition, and S is subtraction. So bracket that we are already solving. Okay, and O stands for off, we are not having any off here, so just leave it. D stands for division. So first division that we have to solve. So in this question, this one is in relation of division. minus 48 and minus 16. Already explained you division of integers. I uploaded division of integers last week, but only I got near about 50 views on that video, and that was not good because that indicates most of you have not watched that video carefully. If you haven't watched that division of integers, you are supposed to watch first division of integers, because I explained you there how to divide negative integers. Okay, so just see that video very carefully, because from that video you will be able to understand how to divide this kind of integers. So in rough you can also solve minus 48 divided by minus 16. So negative and negative get cancelled, and 16 1 ja and 16 3 ja. So from there we are getting 3. So write 88 minus curly bracket start, then 5 minus. From there we are getting 3. So 5 minus 3. 88 minus 5 minus 3, 2. So in the next remove bracket, so 88 minus 2, and the final answer is 86. Look how easy this is. If you know rule and procedure, then it will be easy to you. Otherwise you will be in trouble that how to remove brackets. Okay, one more last question number 13 I'm explaining. Then the remaining questions from exercise 1C you have to solve. Question number 13 is 2 minus, then square bracket starts, 3 minus curly bracket start, 6 minus small bracket inside 5 minus 4 minus 3, vinculum over 4 and 3, small bracket close, curly bracket close, square bracket close. So again we are having here bar bracket, and that we have to solve. So first we will solve this bar bracket, and as you can see before this bar bracket we are having negative sign, so definitely we have to change this sign. Only this sign under bar bracket. बार ब्रैकेट के अंदर नीचे जो भी साइन होता है उसको चेंज करते हैं. सो बाकी को एज इट इज़ लिखना है. 2 माइनस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट, देन 3 माइनस कर्ली ब्रैकेट, 6 माइनस स्मॉल ब्रैकेट स्टार्ट, 5 माइनस 4 प्लस 3, स्मॉल ब्रैकेट क्लोज, कर्ली ब्रैकेट क्लोज, स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट क्लोज. Already in this video or in previous video I explained you how to solve questions, how to remove brackets. So now 2 minus in bracket 3 minus curly bracket 6. Now before this bracket we are having a negative sign, and as you know that this negative sign will cause a change inside that bracket. So first this plus 5 will become minus 5, then minus 4 will be plus 4, and this plus 3 will be minus 3, and this small bracket is solved. Okay, now this one is your curly bracket, and before this curly bracket you are having a negative sign, so definitely this negative sign will cause some changes inside this bracket. So write 2 minus square bracket start, then 3. Now this plus 6 will be minus 6, minus 5 will be plus 5, plus 4 will be minus 4, minus 3 will be plus 3, square bracket close, and curly bracket is solved. Again in this square bracket before we are having a negative sign. Okay, so 2, then this plus 3 will become minus 3, plus 6, minus 5, plus 4, minus 3. Now 2 is a positive number, 6 is a positive number, 4 is a positive number. So 2 plus 6, 8, 8 plus 4, 12. Then minus 3 and minus 5, minus 3 and minus 5, then in the last minus 3. So negative 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 you have to add. जब नेगेटिव 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 होता है तब ऐड होता है, बट साइन नेगेटिव का आता है. तो 3 plus 5 8, and 8 plus 3 11. So 11 along with negative, so 12 minus 11, and the answer is 1. Okay, exercise 1C is over now. You can solve.